to a good cause. Hi to all my Greek viewers. This one's from Kostas Glastopoulos. Sorry, the writing's a bit hard to read. Anyway, it's from Greece. Thank you very much. Rattles a bit. Anyway, it's a JLC PCB box. So obviously been making some boards or whatever. I don't know. It's dead. It's wrapped in sticky tape. I think we can get in there somehow. Jeez, this ain't pretty. What do we got? Whoa, it's a kit. It's a kit. Loosey-goosey parts. Oh, through hole. None of that surface mount rubbish. Got a big 40-pin dip. Whoa, what is this? It's a SCART. 80 mega, it's a SCART. It's got SCART. Oh, it's a, yes, it's a mini PC. I think it's a mini PC thingy, my bob. Please visit for building instructions. Well, that's an A for keeping it brief. Let's go check it out. I think this will be another Sagan assembly video that'll have to be demonetized, of course, because, you know, designed for kids. No, and if people don't know, no, just having a kid in your video does not make it child-directed, okay? So technically, you know, if I drop a few F-bombs at the start of the video, and even if it has Sagan in it, it is not a, oh God, it's not a kid-directed video. Yeah, so that through hole, jobby. Unfortunately, like, I don't have any SCART cables or whatever, so I'll have to bodge something together. But, yeah, I'm not sure if it's yeah, the PC it's emulating or whatever. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's some sort of PC thing. Now, ordinarily, I would just spend, like, you know, what, 5 or 10 minutes just assembling this. But this would be, I think, a great one for Sagan to do. So I'm going to leave that, and hopefully over because it's school holidays now, we can get Sagan in and he can do some more soldering practice, because he likes building little kits like this, and yeah, through-hole ones. Perfect. So I'll just provide a link down below, and it looks like a, you know, kind of neat solution. It's just got, it's all in an 80 mega, and of course the SCART is like a RGB output, and SCART's got no, yeah, it'll only do RGB, will it? Well, the RGB resistor's there somewhere, but yeah, anyway, it does like PS2 keyboard and RS-232 as well. Oh, fancy pantsy. Anyway, runs a little micro basic and emulates various other things, so that's really quite neat. But yeah, SCART's like this European thing where you can plug straight into your SCART TV. Don't have many of those here.